Hey everyone, this is Sushmita and I welcome you all to my channel. So this is the month of October, that means it's Halloween season. I know we don't celebrate Halloween in India. We have a lot of festive to celebrate. I know that also. But I actually love the vibe of October month and Halloween, how they decor their house and how they, kind of go crazy and get spooky the entire month. I love that idea. Everybody do a trick-or-treat and decor their house, get spooky about it. I actually love that concept. So in that spirit, in today's video, I'm going to do a Halloween vibe look. So basically it's not going to be a freaky and spooky look, but I'm going to add a little bit of Halloween vibe to it. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see, my base makeup is already done. I look spooky already. Yeah, jokes apart. I'm gonna start with my eye makeup. For my eye makeup today, I'm thinking of something loud, dark, and a little bit of glam. And the palette I'm using today is from Morphe James Dale's palette. First, I'm gonna start with this dark red over here. I'm gonna start with the inner corners of my eyes. I'm gonna pack the red shade up until my crease, not going above my crease. And for my outer color, I'm gonna go with the darkest brown shade over here. I'm gonna keep the color right in my crease and my eye socket. I'm not really going out there because these are dark shades and I really don't want to mess it. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm gonna wing it. Basically, I'm experimenting. I know how I'm gonna end up with this. And then with a clean brush, I'm gonna buff the edges. I'm gonna go for the orange shade from the palette and I'm going to blend the edges of the red right above my crease line. And trying to blend it into the brown shade. Brown is a stubborn color. Once it is there, it won't budge. So I'm trying to blend it as much as possible. I'm gonna deepen up the outer crease one more time, because every time you blend, the color kind of get blended into the skin and then you want to deepen it. So keep adding color or keep blending until you have your desired color. So I think that's pretty much it for me. I'm gonna move on to the next step, and in the next step what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a small and slanted brush. I don't know what it's called. It's basically a liner brush. And I'm gonna go for this dark brown shade over here. I'm going to apply it as it is a liner, very close to my eyelashes, and then pack some red on top of it. Bit more brown and then blend it. And with the fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend it little above my lash line. And next I'm gonna move on to my lower lash line and I'm gonna take the dark brown shade as I have applied in the upper eyelids. And then I'm gonna go with the darkest brown right in the corner, in the second line. This is such a huge palette that showing colors is a tough job. And then I'm applying the darkest shade very close to the lash line. Done. I'm gonna go back to the red color, red shade, and blend the edges of the black or dark brown shade I have applied. Okay, one eye is almost done. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and I will be back. Alright, so both my eyes are pretty much complete. Next I'm gonna move on and apply some kajal. And I'm gonna apply the kajal real close to my lashes. Next, I'm going to apply some mascara, and the mascara I'm using today is from Rimmel London Scandalize. Moving on to the next step, which is adding some shimmer to the inner corners of my eyes, and for that I have this beautiful bronze shade over here on this palette, right over here, and then pop right there. Okay, so pretty much right there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some kajal on my waterline, upper waterline and lower waterline, so that my look would look more cohesive, like my eye makeup would look more cohesive. So we'll do that next. Okay, for that I'm using the kajal by Katrina, and I'm filling up my waterline. My eye makeup is complete. I'm gonna move on to bronzer right now. As you can see, I haven't really done anything on my face. And for my bronzer today, I'm using What Shady Beach from Wet n Wild. This is such a beautiful, beautiful bronzer. I absolutely love this. And I'm gonna go a little overboard because I want this makeup to stand out a little. So I'm gonna go a little heavy-handed with my bronzer today. I haven't really contoured my face. I'm gonna bronze up a little bit extra than usual. I'm gonna apply a tiny amount on the sides of my nose and carve out my nose a little. And tiny bit amount on my forehead. Moving on to highlighter. For highlighter today I'm using Revolution Pro 4K highlighter palette. I think I'm gonna go for this gold shade over here since I have done red grungy look. This gold sort of a shimmer would go just perfect for my cheeks and my high points of my face. I'm gonna go for a fluffier brush because I'm gonna go extra today, like shine everywhere, glam everywhere type of a look. I'm gonna go for a fluffier brush today because I want a little extra on my face, more shine, more color, everything more and creepy. So good. See, I don't know how much the camera really picks, but this is so good. This is kind of I'm telling you guys, I'm not a person who loves bling a lot, but this is just love, pure love. Oh my god. If I don't stop right now, I would not stop ever. Next, we'll move on to my lips. I'm gonna go crazy with my lips also. I'm thinking of something really dark, maroon, red, or maybe mix those both. I don't know. I'm gonna experiment. Lipstick, I got confused between these three shades right over here. This is more like a matte brown, matte red, and this one is a dark maroon sort of a shade. And I think finally I'm gonna go for these two, and I'm going to create a light ombre sort of an effect. and then I will add red and see how it turns out. It is working. All I need to do is to blend it a little more and a little more of this chocolate brown shade. I think I'm getting that vibe. I love the maroon with the pinch of this red. Oof. Okay, so with that my makeup is complete. I'm gonna do my hair and I will be back. Alright, so this is my final look. This is glam and gorgeous and just perfect for Halloween. You can create the same look using any color you want because imagination has no boundaries. So that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. Until then, bye.